Good day everyone. In the previous videos, we provided the information about the inflammation. These includes its causes and the foods that fights inflammation. In this video, we will discuss the benefits and methods of fasting, including the foods that are to be consumed during feasting. What is fasting? Fasting is the practice of abstaining from food or specific foods for a specified time period. Intermittent fasting, which entails eating only during a certain window of the day, is the most popular type of fasting. Fasting has been practiced for centuries for various reasons, including religious, cultural, and health purposes. Major benefits of fasting. 1. Weight loss. Fasting can help reduce calorie intake, which can lead to weight loss. When you fast, your body uses stored fat as an energy source, resulting in weight loss. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. Reduced inflammation. Fasting has been found to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with many health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune diseases. 4. Improved brain function. Fasting has been shown to improve cognitive function, memory, and mood. 5. Enhanced autophagy. Fasting can trigger a cellular process called autophagy, which helps the body get rid of damaged cells and toxins. 6. Lowered blood pressure and cholesterol. Fasting has been found to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. What is autophagy? Autophagy is a cellular mechanism that enables the body to eliminate damaged or defective components and recycle them for energy production or the construction of new cellular structures. It is a natural process that happens in all cells and is crucial for preserving cellular health and preventing the accumulation of damaged or toxic molecules. The name autophagy derives from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phagi, meaning eating. During autophagy, the body forms specialized membranes that encase and degrade damaged or unneeded cellular components into smaller molecules. Then, these molecules can be employed to produce energy or construct new biological structures. Autophagy is essential for cellular homeostasis and is involved in numerous physiological processes, including as development, immunity, and metabolism. Cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease are among the age-related illnesses that it has been demonstrated to prevent. Many variables, including calorie restriction, exercise, and certain medicines, can activate autophagy. Autophagy is a normal cellular mechanism that aids in the maintenance of cellular health and prevents the accumulation of damaged or toxic substances. Different methods of intermittent fasting. There are several different methods of intermittent fasting, each with their own unique set of rules and restrictions. Some of the most popular methods include 1. 12/12ths method. A form of intermittent fasting called the 12/12ths method entails fasting for 12 hours and then eating for the next 12. It is one of the most straightforward and adaptable types of intermittent fasting, making it a well-liked option for newcomers or those just beginning to experiment with fasting. Just water, unsweetened tea or coffee, and other calorie-free beverages are permitted during the fasting time. After the 12-hour fast is over, people are allowed to eat normally for the following 12-hour period. If someone begins their fast, for instance, at 8 p.m., they may break it at 8 a.m. the following day. The 12/12ths fasting strategy is thought to be fairly simple to implement and may provide a number of possible health advantages, such as weight loss, increased insulin sensitivity, and improved sleep. It is also a smart method to cut back on late-night eating and snacking, which can help with weight loss and general wellness. 2. The 16/8ths method. A type of intermittent fasting which calls for a 16-hour fast followed by an 8-hour window of eating. Because Martin Berkhan, a fitness instructor, popularized it, it is often referred to as the Liang Gaines approach. Just water, unsweetened tea or coffee, and other calorie-free liquids are permitted during the 16-hour fast. Individuals can eat regularly during the 8-hour eating window after the 16-hour fast is over. For instance, if someone begins their fast at 8 p.m., they are permitted to break it at midday the following day and continue eating as usual until 8 p.m. since the 16/8ths fasting method requires a longer fasting period than the 12/12 method, it is regarded as a more advanced type of intermittent fasting. In terms of health advantages, it may lead to weight loss, increased insulin sensitivity, and better sleep, although it still permits 3 meals per day within the allotted 8 hours for eating. It can also be simpler to adhere to than other types of fasting. 3. The 5-2 diet. The 5-2 diet was introduced by Michelle Harvey and Mark Mattson and popularized in the UK and Australia by Michael Mosley around 2012. It also became common in Australia. This is a form of intermittent fasting. You eat normally for 5 days of the week and then limit your caloric intake to 500 to 600 calories on the other 2. The rapid diet is another name for this approach. People can pick which days they want to fast during the 2 days of calorie restriction, and they can spread out their daily caloric intake over several meals or just one. People can eat normally without any calorie limitations on the days when they are not fasting. By consuming fewer calories and possibly lowering insulin levels, the 5-2 diet is claimed to encourage weight loss and enhance general health. Moreover, it might help with blood sugar regulation and inflammation reduction. 4. Alternate day fasting. A form of intermittent fasting called alternate day fasting alternates between periods of unlimited eating and periods of fasting. With this approach, people fast every other day, eating nothing or extremely few calories on fasting days and their regular meals on non-fasting days. Alternate day fasting comes in a variety of forms, some of which have been modified to permit a certain number of calories on fasting days. To aid with adherence, some people, for instance, may eat up to 500 calories on fasting days. By consuming fewer calories and maybe increasing insulin sensitivity, alternate day fasting is claimed to encourage weight loss and enhance general health. Studies have also suggested that it might have further health advantages, including reduced inflammation, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. 5. The warrior diet. The warrior diet is a type of intermittent fasting that involves eating one large meal at night and fasting during the day. It was popularized by Ori Hofmeckler, a former Israeli Special Forces soldier and author. During the fasting period, individuals can consume small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables, as well as some protein, such as hard-boiled eggs or raw nuts. In the evening, individuals consume one large meal, which typically includes a variety of healthy whole foods, such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. The warrior diet is based on the idea that our ancestors were hunters and gatherers who consumed most of their calories in the evening after a day of hunting and gathering. It is thought to promote weight loss and improve overall health by reducing calorie intake and potentially improving insulin sensitivity. 6. The Eat-Stop-Eat method. The Eat-Stop-Eat method is a type of intermittent fasting that involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. During the fasting period, individuals consume 0 or very low calories, usually in the form of water, unsweetened tea or coffee, and other non-caloric beverages. On non-fasting days, individuals eat normally without any calorie restrictions. The Eat-Stop-Eat method was popularized by Brad Pilon, a fitness expert and author. The Eat-Stop-Eat method is thought to promote weight loss and improve overall health by reducing calorie intake and potentially improving insulin sensitivity. It may also offer other health benefits, such as improved blood sugar control and reduced inflammation. However, it's important to note that the Eat-Stop-Eat method may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with a history of disordered eating or other medical conditions. It's important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or fasting regimen. Additionally, it's important to ensure that individuals consume adequate nutrients during non-fasting days to support overall health and well-being. 7. The OMAD 1 meal a day method. OMAD 1 meal a day is a type of intermittent fasting that involves eating only one meal per day and fasting for the remaining 23 hours. During the one meal, individuals typically consume all of their daily calorie and nutrient requirements. The OMAD 1 meal a day method has been popularized by various individuals, including fitness experts, nutritionists, and social media influencers. One notable advocate of the OMAD method is Dr. Jason Fung. a Canadian nephrologist and author who promotes the use of intermittent fasting for weight loss and improving health outcomes in patients with type 2 diabetes. The OMAD method is thought to promote weight loss and improve overall health by reducing calorie intake and potentially improving insulin sensitivity. Some proponents also suggest that it may offer other health benefits, such as improved mental clarity and increased energy. It's important to note that no one method is considered better than the others, and different methods may work better for different people. It's always best to talk with a healthcare professional before starting an intermittent fasting regimen, as it may not be suitable for everyone. What type of foods and drinks allowed during the fasting period? During the fasting period, the general rule is to consume nothing but water, black coffee, and other non-caloric beverages. This means that you should avoid consuming any foods or drinks that contain calories, such as juice, milk, and alcohol. What are the recommended foods during feasting period? During the feasting period, it's recommended to consume nutrient-dense, whole foods that provide a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. This includes fruits and vegetables, berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, peppers, etc. Whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, oats, etc. Lean protein, chicken, fish, tofu, legumes, etc. Healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, etc. It's also important to consume enough fluids during the feasting period, especially water, to stay hydrated. Conclusion: intermittent fasting is not a diet, it's a pattern of eating. You can eat what you want as long as it's within your daily caloric needs. However, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods during the feasting period to ensure that you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. It's important to note that everyone may experience different side effects of intermittent fasting, and some people may not experience any side effects at all. If you're considering starting an intermittent fasting regimen, it's best to talk to your healthcare provider about whether it's an appropriate option for you and to ask about any potential risks or side effects. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content like this. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Your support helps us to continue creating high-quality videos to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.